Hey, this is the shack the dentist built, and today I'm going to show you how to put together an Intex ladder that goes to your pool. And we're going to put it together so that we can get water in our pool, so I can get in there and get the wrinkles out. You don't want to climb in and out of the pool without this ladder, because you will likely ruin your liner. So here we go, we're going to start working on that. Going to open it up, got a little bit of tape. Comes right off. Interestingly enough. Oh, look at that. It even tells you how to do it in here. Quick reference guide. Very cool. All right, so we're looking for a number 7. Number 8, well, actually they call it A and B here. So you've got your rounds for both sides. And got these two. These two, I assume they're exactly the same, but I don't really know. Let's see if they're marked as A and B. I see no markings on them. All right, so we're going to set them up like this. There's our 2 ladders. And then we got some clamps we need to pull out of here. So snap that in there like that. So we got 2 of them. Take your first step, and it doesn't really matter which way you put it as long as you put the steps all the same direction. So the first thing that I want to note is this. Is inside here, you got, that's where the clips go, you've got an outie and an innie. And so you want to make sure the clamps are all aimed in the right direction so that the outie clamps in there and the innie clamps in there. So I'll give you one to show you how that works. So you're going to put that in there like this. You've got your outie, your innie. That's the way it's going to go in. Can't go in that way. Got to go in that way. Put the first one down in there. Bring it down. That one's right. This one's right. Snap it in place, just like that. Here's your first one. Make sure they're all going the same direction. Outie and innie. Outie and innie. Basically, the outies all go on the inside, the innies go on the outside. Does that make any sense? Outies on the inside, innies on the outside. Sounds like a song we should sing. Outies, innies, innies, outies. Innies on the outside, outies on the inside. Now, why were you giving me that look, cameraman? That's not very nice. I thought it was a nice little song.
Keep your day job.
And one more. Uno más. There's the first one. Set that aside. We'll do the exact same thing as the other one. One last time. Artie's on the inside, Annie's on the outside. Up the ladder we go. I can see that going viral. And oh no, I put one up backwards. Now what do? I turn it around. Woo, baby. All right. So, our next London Bridge is falling down. Here we got 2 packs of bulky things. No, we got short ones and long ones. And we want to make sure we use the right ones. You put the short ones on the bottom, the lock washer in there. You put the Faco plastic nut on there. And we'll tighten it down. Another short one, another lock washer, another nut. Okay, so you got that done. Put another one of these on. Drop it on there. And then what we have is we have these 2 braces. And they're going to go up here. Run that through. Oh, we want to make sure we can read all those different languages. We wouldn't want to put them upside down now, would we? That, my friend, is how you put warnings on. Just like that. We're sort of done, aren't we? Are we done? Do we look done? No, we're not done. We have to make sure that the French, the Spanish, and the German, should they come to this pool, can read this warning. Danger! Shallow water, no diving. I bet you couldn't read that. But I can, because I have it on this one. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the ladder. Now I will attempt to climb this ladder. Oh, I'm so scared. And see what happens. I can touch the ceiling. Woo, baby! Now, for my next trick, and it is scary actually, I'm going to go to the other side and go down. Amazing. Oh. Ta-da! That was scary. And this is the shack that Dennis built, and that's how you put together an Intex ladder for your pool. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel, or I'll come get you.